Carlsbad is considered one of Southern California's most beautiful destinations, with 7 miles of surf and sand, as well as perfect weather for outdoor adventure. TripAdvisor ranked Carlsbad Beach one of the top 25 in the U.S., and we've discovered a world-class property here that not only boasts an ideal coastal location with sweeping ocean views, but also every amenity you could possibly need for an unforgettable family vacation, business event, or romantic getaway. Cape Ray, Carlsbad. The resort's guest rooms and suites come in a variety of sizes, ranging all the way up to 1,200 square feet, and feature ocean-inspired decor and breathtaking views. Plus, Ocean View Suites also come with spacious living and dining areas and large outdoor balconies. But of course, with a gorgeous oceanfront setting like this and a live-like-a-local mentality, you may not spend much time in your room. This escape includes a 4,000 square foot ocean view pool, easy beach access, a comprehensive fitness center, and the luxurious Ocean Crest Spa, offering a wide array of coastally derived treatments inspired by the healing powers of the sea. Plus, the resort is near to many great activities and world-famous attractions like water sports, biking trails, numerous championship golf courses, Legoland, SeaWorld, the San Diego Zoo and Safari Park, Disneyland, and so much more. They offer local shuttle service, and the resort concierge can plan every detail to make your Carlsbad experience the absolute best. You won't have to go far for a great meal either. Cape Ray is home to Chandler's, a fantastic ocean view restaurant and Open Table Diners Choice Award winner for 2015. Chandler's serves up coastally inspired new American cuisine, along with an exciting wine selection and innovative Cape signature cocktails, not to mention a wide variety of local beers. In fact, North County, San Diego has been called the craft beer capital of America. The county is home to nearly 100 breweries, microbreweries, and brew pubs. Seating at Chandler's is available indoors and outdoors, and their award-winning Sunday brunch is one of the most popular in the area. And you'll definitely want to check out their Sunset Fire Lounge, a fun gathering where guests enjoy great food and drink, as well as live music. Cape Ray also happens to have the best meeting spaces in Carlsbad and is the perfect venue for productivity. And of course, there's not a better spot in Southern California to make your dream wedding a reality. It's a recipient of the TripAdvisor Certificate of Excellence Award, and we couldn't agree more. Cape Ray. Visit caperay.com.